What our ancestors called Alusi it's actually called Alukwusi. That's the full interpretation. Now, some people who have these two in that they'll tell you it's Alusi, and the other people will tell you Ebe-Alusi. Now, Alusi here becomes a function. It's instituted out of a function. It's something that comes into the family out of a function. It's there to perform a function. Now, when they tell you that Alusi na-enye nsogbu, it's because there has been a breach or the contract has been broken. When I look at it, they say Alusi is sometimes been collectively instituted by a family, by a community. Ofonya de bu Alusi. Now, for Alusi to come into a family or a community to perform a function, it has to be a collective effort. Now, why would it be a collective effort? It was done because there is a need to institute a PowerPoint that would perform a certain function. Now, that PowerPoint is now there. It has gone into a cosmic contract with the people and